In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. A delegation of Uzbek officials and traders met with the governor of Herat province. A proposal has been approved to enhance the operational capacity and modernize the system of National Statistics and Information Authority. And North Korea tests anti-ship missiles. Welcome to the news package. It's Tuesday, the 27th of Shawwal al-Muazzam, 1447, the 25th of Amal, 1405, and the 14th of April, 2026. The news details. Shohrat Ramonov, the governor of Andijan province in Uzbekistan, led a delegation comprising dozens of traders to Herat province, where they met with Sheikh Moulavi Islam Jar, the governor of Herat. Based on Herat governor's office, the meeting focused on expanding trade and transit relations through the development of highways and railway links between Herat and Uzbekistan, the establishment of permanent exhibition for Uzbek products, and the creation of an Uzbek trade chamber in Herat. During the meeting, the governor of Herat emphasized the importance of strengthening economic relations with regional countries, particularly Uzbekistan. Meanwhile, Shohrad Ramonov announced the preparation of Uzbek traders to invest in Herat province and stressed the need to expand bilateral engagement through increased trade exchanges as well as higher levels of export and imports between the two countries. At the conclusion of the meeting, both sides agreed to hold a joint exhibition in Andijan, the province of Uzbekistan. At the meeting of Technical Committee of the Economic Commission, a proposal aimed at enhancing operational capacity and modernizing the system of National Statistics and Information Authority was deemed suitable for approval and referred to the Economic Commission for the final decision. The Deputy Prime Minister's Office for the Economic Affairs stated that approximately 1 year and a budget of nearly 1 billion Afghanis have been allocated for the implementation of the proposal. The meeting also discussed the necessity and importance of preparing a master plan for all ports and border crossing throughout the country. The news continuation. The Ministry for the Propagation of Virtue, Prevention of Vice and Hearing of Complaints stated that 8 cases of long-standing dispute and hostilities among families and tribes in the provinces of Kabul, Nangarhar, Laghman, Samangan and Helmand have been resolved peacefully through mediation and dialogue. The ministry also stated that 7 women in the provinces of Khust, Nangarhar and Badghis who were at the risk of domestic violence were identified and through legal and Sharia-based intervention were rescued from the abusive situations and their rights restored. And ultimately, North Korea has announced that it has tested strategic cruise and anti-ship missiles from one of its warships. North Korea State's media, KCNA, reported that the tests were conducted on Sunday, the 23rd of Amal, as part of an assessment of anti-ship operational capacity of the warship Chuhyun. In accordance with the report, North Korea leader Kim Jong-un personally oversaw the test alongside senior defense and naval officials. That's the end of our news program. Informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.